Welcome to our channel. Here's how to download Netflix movies on your laptop for offline viewing during travel or without internet access. Step 1. Ensure you have Windows 10 or 11 or Mac OS 10.15 or later. Netflix downloads aren't available on browsers. Step 2. Download the Netflix app from Microsoft Store for Windows or App Store for Mac. Step 3. Install and open the Netflix app. Sign in with your Netflix account credentials. Step 4. Check your subscription plan. Downloads are available on all plans except the ad-supported tier. Step 5. Find content available for download. Look for the download icon next to episodes or movies. Step 6. Click the download button. Choose your video quality in app settings before downloading. Step 7. Select standard or high quality. High quality uses more storage but provides better viewing. Step 8. Monitor download progress in the download section. You can pause and resume as needed. Step 9. Access downloads anytime from the My Downloads section, even without internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.